Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. With summer coming on, here is a wonderful salad. It's a tasty homemade potato salad, and it's my version of it. So start by getting a pot of water and place 4 eggs in there. Turn your heat on high and time it for about 10 minutes after it starts to boil, because we want hard-boiled eggs for this recipe. I'm using 5 medium russet potatoes. Peel them and wash them really well. Place these potatoes in a pot of water. Add about half a teaspoon of salt. Boil these potatoes just until they're cooked. And while your potatoes are still cooking, check on your eggs. They'll be done in about 10 minutes after they start to boil. Rinse them right away in cold water. I even add ice cubes to the water to make sure that it cools down quickly. And this is so that your eggs don't turn green on you. Once they've cooled off, you go ahead and peel them all. And they're much easier to peel if the eggs aren't too fresh. So don't use the ones that came fresh from the chicken coop. I buy my eggs at the store anyway, and usually they're dated enough that they're okay to go ahead and use them for boiled eggs. These eggs are essential as far as I'm concerned when you make a potato salad. They really add a lot of flavor. And you can see here how the yolks are nice and yellow. Okay, the next ingredient would be a sweet onion. Once again, it adds lots of flavor, but some people don't like onion. So what I do is I take about 1/4 of a large sweet onion and then I grate it so that it's nice and fine. By now the potatoes are cooked, so you drain them off, and I rinse them with a little bit of cold water just to get them to start to cool. And then I place them in the fridge to cool them completely. And by doing this, you're able to cut them into small cubes without them getting all mushy. I like to have my potato salad with some texture to it. So when you cut it into small cubes and then add all the other ingredients and stir it in, you'll still have some chunks of potatoes. It won't be just all mush. And having said that, I don't like to cut them in too large chunks either. I believe in happy medium. Now go ahead and add your hard-boiled eggs and chop them into fine pieces. We want this to spread evenly throughout the salad. Next, add the grated sweet onion, and this should be about 1/2 cup. Take a large spoon and stir it and mix it in until it's well incorporated. Now to make your salad dressing. Place about 1/2 cup of Miracle Whip in a small bowl and just sprinkle it lightly with a little bit of mustard, just enough to color it. This will add a little bit of zap, but we don't want too much mustard or it will become bitter. That's why we just do a little sprinkle. Add this to your salad and mix it in. And give it a pretty good mix because you want to break up all those egg yolks that are in there as well. Now this should be about the right amount, but if you need more, just mix up a little bit more of the Miracle Whip and mustard. Now to add a little sweet crunch to your salad, I finally chopped some red and orange bell pepper and add that to your salad. And I would say about 1/2 cup of that as well. And stir the salad until it's evenly distributed. And at this point, you could add some dill pickles that are finely chopped, but I don't do that in mine. I just sprinkle it with a little bit of parsley and some paprika. And that's it. That's your potato salad, and it is so tasty you won't believe it. So go ahead and make some of this and enjoy your summer. It's just in time for barbecue season. This salad makes a great side dish for almost any meal. Thanks so much for watching the ads that are attached to this video, and it helps to support the channel. And also thanks for giving it a thumbs up and placing your comments in the comment section. And until next time, happy eating!